Google Bard just released a new text-to-image feature that allows you to generate amazing images using only text descriptions. Google Bard. Creative AI has opened a new door to the world of images. Anyone can become an artist with Google Bard. Simply describe your image in text and watch as it transforms into a stunning photorealistic image, from breathtaking natural landscapes to fantastical creatures, from classic paintings to sci-fi imagery. Google Bard puts the power to create any image in your hands. As you can see, the results are incredibly realistic and detailed. Ready to see the magic for yourself? Visit Google Bard today and start creating your own incredible images.
Alright guys, so create image with the Google Bard here. First you need to come to the Google search engine and search for Google Bard here. After searching for the Google Bard, you just need to sign in with your Google account, and here as you can see the Bard chat-based AI. Click on it. So you just need to sign in with your Google account. After signing in with the Google account, here you can see this is the Bard website here. If you don't find this image creation here, you can just type a prompt here to create an image. So for example, if you ask the Google Bard here, for example, I just write a prompt here, create an image of a spaceship, and then just submit here. And after a couple of seconds, you can see it will just create an image of an spaceship here. So this is the prompt here, and this is just create some image here. So if you want to generate more here, as you can see there's an option called generate more. You just have to click on generate more, and it will start to create more of the same prompt of the image here. So as you can see here the images, and also there's also a tab option of to generate more here. So if you want to download this, you can click on this download and it will download the image of here, and if you click the image, you can see the full size of the image here. So if I just click on download, and it will just start to download the image here, and it will automatically download it in my PC. As you can see, here's my downloaded image here. So this is just a simple prompt, and this is the result they give me. Now let's try another prompt with lots of details here. So I just paste a prompt here with lots of details here in the prompt. Let's see what kind of image they gave me here. So here as you can see, this is the result here. So these images all look pretty cool here and realistic and detailed here. So if I click on generate more, it will just start to create more of the same prompt here. So as you can see, these are the images that created in the Bard image. So this is free now. You can create unlimited image with this Bard Google AI here. So just sign in with your Google account and you can start to create image here. So that's it guys. This is how you can use the Google Bard text to image here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and if you want to see more of this simple AI tutorial here, just follow this channel. See you in the next video.